Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to start a brand new series on Matplotlib. This is the first video on the introduction to the Matplotlib. I hope you will enjoy the series. So let's begin. Matplotlib is a plotting library for the Python programming language and its numerical mathematics extension NumPy. It provides an object-oriented API for embedding plots into applications. Using general-purpose GUI toolkits like tkinter, wxPython, Qt, or GTK+. There is also a procedural Pylab interface based on a state machine, like OpenGL, which is designed closely and resemble with MATLAB, though its use is discouraged. SciPy makes use of Matplotlib. Matplotlib was originally written by John D. Hunter. Matplotlib 2.0.x supports Python versions 2.7 through 3.6. Python 3 support started with Matplotlib 1.2. Matplotlib 1.4 is the last version to support Python 2.6. Matplotlib has pledged to not support Python 2 past 2020 by signing the Python 3 statement. Matplotlib can be used in Python scripts, the Python and IPython shell, web application servers, and various graphical user interface toolkits. In the upcoming video we will be looking how to install the Matplotlib. So stay tuned.